Tara! Hana Quadruplex is provision for 2 carport. Napaka-spacious ng gilid, so sakto to once may family gathering kayo. Also, kids can play and run around. By the way, this lot area is 80 square meter and floor area is 54 square meter. Let's go inside. It has sliding door, napaka-spacious na kanyang living and dining area. Then, it has 2 toilet and bath. Meron tayong isa dito sa baba. Ayan. Then, silipin natin ang kanyang service area. Napaka-spacious. Pwede nyo pang extend ang kanyang kitchen area. Ayan. Akit tayo sa taas. Ito po ang kanyang second toilet and bath. And we have 3 bedrooms. This is the first bedroom. Ayan. The master's bedroom. L-type window. Ayan. Napakaliwanag. Kahit naka-turn off ang lights. May mga socket na rin po dyan. Yan, ito ang kanyang third bedroom. Pwede rin po siyang extend for maximum expansion. So, ayan po. Napaka-spacious ng kanyang bahay. Loob at labas, napakaluwag. So, for only 25,000 reservation fee, PM lang po for more details. Thank you.